All right, so today we're going to do another investigation with vibrations. Remember, vibration is something that moves back and forth quickly. Okay, and when we have vibration, we also have sound. Okay, those vibrations are what causes sound to produce, and that's what we hear, is those vibrations. Okay, so we're going to do another experiment. Again, this is one that you can try at home with the help of a grown-up. Okay, and you actually need two people to do this. You need an inflated balloon and a paper towel. It says you have learned that sound can make objects vibrate. You can observe how the sound of your voice makes a balloon vibrate. Okay, so remember, the sound of your voice, right? Remember, we talked about how vibrations can make other things vibrate. Okay, so the sound of our voice during this experiment, which is vibrations, can also make other things vibrate. It says work with a partner. Hold the balloon gently with your fingertips. And then step 2. While your partner talks quietly into one end of the tube, hold the balloon very close to the other end. Observe what you hear. Observe what you feel through the balloon. Record what you hear and feel. Okay, so when so let's go over what we have so far. So you have somebody holding a balloon. Okay, somebody has the tube and they're talking quietly while they hold the balloon very close. See how very, very close they are together? Okay, so they're holding it close, they're talking through. And you want to see, what do you hear and what do you feel through the balloon? So as you're holding the balloon, what are you feeling while the person's talking quietly? Okay. Also, what are you hearing? Is when the person's talking quietly, does it come out quiet or does it come out loud because they're talking through the tube? So you want to observe that. So, and then remember, scientists record what they hear and what they feel. So you'd write it down so that you can record your findings. Then you want to switch places and repeat while your partner observes and records. So whoever you're doing the experiment with, you want to switch. If you were holding the balloon, now you're going to hold the tube and see what happens. Okay, and then think about, what did you feel when you held the balloon? What would happen if your partner tapped on the tube? Maybe that you could try that. Okay, having the person tap on the tube and see what happens. Okay, so you can observe your experiment. You can also try and talk loudly through the tube and see if that makes a difference. All right, my first graders, I'm here with Mr. Bell, and he's going to help us with our experiment. So he's holding the balloon. Okay, he's using 2 fingers. I have the tube. I'm going to put it really close to the balloon, and then I'm going to whisper inside, and he's going to tell you if he feels anything.
You can feel the balloon vibrating a little bit on both sides. You can feel the sound waves coming through the balloon and kind of just moving.
When I whisper in here, does it sound louder to you?
A little bit, a little louder
than when I normally whisper. Okay, so the tube helps make my volume louder. All right, now I'm going to talk louder into the tube, and he's going to tell you what he feels on the balloon. Ready? Hello, hello.
Whoa, you can feel the vibrations. It vibrates even more. You just have to have a hold on it. But you can definitely feel everything that you felt the first time, just a little bit more.
All right, so when you try this at home, try whispering first and then have somebody talk louder. Now we're going to switch so that way I get a chance to feel the vibrations and he gets a chance to talk in the tube. So have fun doing your experiment.